We're going to be unboxing and checking out the Ridge dual chamber carabiner. This is a great EDC tool. I have a ton of carabiners. I don't have any dual chamber ones that I could recall. So let's open this box and check this baby out. So first off, you can see here it is a dual chamber, and it is made by Ridge, designed for a life. So let's see how this looks. So here you can see here in the carabiner, you have the top chamber, and you also have the bottom chamber, and it comes with two distinct little O-ring clips. And what you would do here is you can take the top one, just slip it in here. The bottom one, you would then have to kind of thread through here. And let's see, I did this earlier. Here we go, put that through there. And there we go, drop that one right through there, or not. There we go. And now we have the dual carabiner where you could have things on both. The other cool thing about this is a bottle opener. I don't have a bottle here to open, but this does work. So it's a very discreet bottle opener. This is really strong steel, aluminum, I think. And definitely is worth having in your EDC kit. I will be using this and adding it to my gear bags. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use it with yet, but definitely looking forward to adding this to my EDC. And again, this is the Ridge dual chamber. And this is the Ridge dual chamber carabiner. And here, just rethink your everyday. And just a little bit of ad copy here, but it is really, really strong. All right, I hope that helps. And if you're looking for a carabiner, this is probably should be up there on the top of your list, especially with the dual chamber.